Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Ford BlueCruise Diagnostics using FordPass, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Ford BlueCruise Diagnostics using FordPass, start by ensuring that your smartphone has the latest version of the FordPass app installed. Open the FordPass app on your device. Log into your FordPass account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Vehicles section at the bottom of the screen. Select your vehicle from the list if you have multiple vehicles associated with your account. Locate the BlueCruise option on the vehicle dashboard. Tap on BlueCruise to access the Diagnostics menu. You will find information about the status of your BlueCruise system here. Look for any notifications or alerts related to BlueCruise Diagnostics. Follow the on-screen instructions to address any alerts or issues. If everything looks good, you can proceed to restore the diagnostics. Tap on the Restore button to initiate the process. Wait for the app to communicate with your vehicle. This may take a few moments, so be patient while it processes your request. Once complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the diagnostics have been restored. You can then review the BlueCruise system information to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If issues persist, you may need to contact your local Ford dealership for further assistance. Keep your FordPass app regularly updated for optimal performance and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.